Namaskar and good evening. The Q3 result season has kicked in. Number of results are pouring in. We will go on discussing one after another. Today we will discuss about Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank is headed by Mr. Chandrasekhar Ghosh as CEO and MD. Bandhan started in 2001 as a not for profit enterprise. Thereafter, it became NBFC with the core objective of achieving financial inclusion. Then, Bandhan Bank started operations on August 23rd, 2015. So, it was the first instance of a non finance or rather microfinance enterprise turning itself into a NBFC and then into a bank, universal bank. And on the date of launch of the bank itself, it had 2,523 banking outlets. Now it is spread across 34 of the 36 states and union territories, and it has 3,992 banking outlets, serving some 1.53 crore customers. Let us look at the key highlights of the Q3 results. The net interest income has grown by 53.5% at 1,124 crores. Of this, net interest CASA ratio is 41.4%. CASA means those people who are not familiar should know current accounts and savings bank accounts. That is CASA. The loan portfolio also has grown by 46.1% year on year to 35,499 crores. For 35,599 crores. The deposit portfolio also has grown by 36.9% year on year to 34,639 crores. The net NPA is 0.7%, which is quite healthy. So loans have grown by 46.1%, NIA has grown by 53.5%, deposit portfolio has grown by 36.9%, and net NPA is 7%, quite healthy. The retail deposits to total deposits stands at 84.8%. So the CASA has grown, now it stands at 41.4%, but its growth is 70.7% year on year at 14,342 crores. It has added 9.22 lakh customers during this quarter. Customer total base is 1.533 crores. Of that, micro banking is 12.15 million and non-micro is 3.18 million. During this quarter, the bank has returned back a treasury investment provision of 96.5 crores on account of favorable yield curve movement. The bank has to make a provision. This is the one negative point in the bank this time. Similar thing we have seen under IndusInd Bank also. A provision of 384.95 crores is made in respect of an exposure to NPA to a borrower from infrastructure development and finance sector. Same thing in IndusInd Bank case also. There also it was a big account. Now this 384.95 has been classified as a non-performing asset, but fully provided for. The provision is made in full. So therefore the NPA has remained very stable at 0.7%. So net interest income has grown by 53.5% at 1,124 crores as against 732 crores in the same quarter last year. Non-interest income has grown by 48.1% at 234 crores against 158 crores only in same quarter last year. Operating profit has increased by 56.8% at 900 crores against 574 crores in same quarter last year. So operating profit growth by 56.8% is quite impressive. So all these are impressive. Only thing not impressive is the NPA. Net profit has grown by just 10.3%. So now you can understand why it is like that. It is because of that NPA. Against so net profit has grown by 10.3% to 331 crores against 300 crores earlier. It would have grown much more but for that one NPA account. Net interest margin stands at 10.3% against 9.9%. So net interest margin also has grown. CASA ratio we have seen 41.4% of the total deposits compared to 33.2% last year, same quarter. It has grown by 70.7%. This we have seen. Advances have increased by 46.1%. Deposits have grown by 36.9%. All these are quite impressive. Gross NPAs stand at 2.4% against 1.3% in 30th previous quarter and 1.7% in the same quarter last year. So it has grown from 1.7 and 1.3 to 2.4 because of that one account. So net NPAs, of course, after the provision is made, it is again 0.7% only in the current quarter, 0.7% in the previous quarter, 0.7% in the same quarter last year, 0.8% in the same quarter last year. So all these are quite good. So the return on the average assets is 2.9% against 3.7% in the same quarter last year. Cost to income ratio is 33.7% against 35.4%. It has come down. Cost to income ratio, cost has come down. That's all good. Return on average assets has come down slightly to 2.9% against 38.7% in the previous year, last year, same quarter. Return on equity is 12.5% against 22.5% in the same quarter last year. Capital adequacy ratio is quite good, 32.8% against 24.9% in the same quarter last year. Gross NPA has gone up to 2.4% from 1.7% last year. Net NPA, there is no problem, 0.7%. Basic EPS is 2.78 against 2.74 last year. It's okay. But in the previous quarter it was 4.08. So this one account has spoiled all those things. Return on assets is 0.73 against 0.92 last year. Capital adequacy ratio is 32.81% against 24.85. That is quite good. Market price is 472. Price earning ratio is 42.45. 42.45 is quite high. But Bandhan Bank is growing very fast. So that's why it is commanding such a strong. But this time, this infrastructure one NPA is there. So it may come down a little. We will have to wait and see. But it's a one-off thing. So next quarter it will not be there. So 52-week low is 369 against current price of 472. 52-week high was 741. So it commanded the respect of investors very well. It has grown to 741. Face value is 10 rupees. Now, as on December 31st, the network consisted of 978 branches, 3014 doorstep service centers, totally 3,992. ATMs are 480. Number of employees 31,115. Now, there is a merger and acquisition proposed. Bandhan Bank with Gruh Finance Limited. Both boards have approved the merger. and share exchange ratio accepted by both is 568 shares of the face value of rupees 10 of Bandhan Bank will be issued for every 1000 equity shares of face value of rupees 2 held by the Gruh Finance people. 568 shares of Bandhan for 1000 shares of Gruh Finance. Here face value is 10, there face value is 2. Post merger, Bandhan Bank will have an loan outstanding of 50,036 crores. It will have micro loans 58%, retail home loans 28%, and other loans 14%. The distribution network will increase to 4,186 with 480 ATMs across 34 states and union territories. Merged employee will have 31,000 employees plus and 1.6 crore customers. So, these mergers and acquisitions are going on. In the case of IndusInd Bank also, we have seen that it is merging with Bharat Financial Inclusion. Here, Bandhan Bank is merging with Gruh Finance. So, they want to grow larger and bigger. It's good for a bank. Let us wait and see. Bandhan Bank is one good bank to watch. So at the current price it is slightly overvalued perhaps, but in view of the merger and immediate expansion, I think it is worthwhile. Let us wait and see how it progresses. It's a good bank. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with another very good company. Thank you.